Hi folks, Dutch here from Dutch Cooking. Today we're going to do something unusual for Dutchy. We're cooking a sweet dessert type thing. This is going to be cinnamon rolls with a pecan and caramel top. This recipe is an idea from Malcolm Reed from How to Barbecue Right. I'll leave a link down below. So the first thing to do is to make our pecan caramel. So the first ingredient we've got is 1 stick of melted butter. Or not melted butter. This temperature outdoor. We're running about 0 degrees C, 32F today. That's our butter in. Half a cup of brown sugar. And half a cup of chopped pecans. So all we're going to do now is get this into the wood-fired oven to melt the sugar. Just let that sit in there, and we're just going to melt it down. So while our sugar's melting down to make caramel, we're going to make some frosting for these. So we've got 1 tablespoon of melted butter, a few drops of vanilla extract, and a couple of tablespoons of milk. Don't put too much into beginning. So that's our frosting made. So that's our butter and sugar melted. Now for the cinnamon rolls. Well, you didn't think I was going to make them, did you? After all, I'm a meat man. These are just store-bought cinnamon rolls, but if you want to make these, I will put a link in below on how to make them. What we'll do is place them on top of this mixture. So they're ready to go back into the wood-fired oven for about 18 minutes. We'll bring this over and we're going to try and tip this out. So let's put some frosting on. So I think it's about time. And a bit of a try. Look at that. Seriously good.